Hey everybody, Robert here with brpautodesigns.com. Today we're going to work on a whole new project. Now what you're seeing here is this is actually the subwoofer, the factory subwoofer box that comes in with the factory JL Jeep Wrangler. Now if you're wondering how we did this, you notice that we upgraded the subwoofer on this kit, and if you're wondering how we did it, well, let me show you. What we've got here is, I'm going to actually put this aside first so I can actually go from start to finish. But what we did was we had a bunch of you guys reach out to us and ask us to make a ring for the factory sub. Now unfortunately, these factory subs that come with your Wranglers, no matter what, they call it the Alpine system, but it's honestly not the best system out there. It's kind of, let's just call it what it is, crap. So a lot of you guys want to add a subwoofer. You do know that we sell our custom boxes for the JLs and the Gladiators and the, you name it. But a lot of you don't want to go that route. You just want to add a little bit more bass. So what we did is we actually designed this ring to go in place where your factory sub is located, and that way you could change it and put a different sub in there. So what this ring does is, if you can see here, I'm going to move, I have another one here and I'll show you how that works. But this is the ring that's actually in place right now in your factory sub, and it actually has a grill. Now we've removed this, and what we were looking at, we're trying to figure out the best way to design this, and we found that it's better to keep this in its place. You do remove the grill that comes with it, and then you add our adapter kit over on top. And what it does, we've actually, as you can see, we include the screws that you will need to kind of give it that factory look. But you will place this piece on top. What it does, it serves two purposes. It serves it to where it allows you to install an aftermarket sub, but it also gives you a deeper spacing, so you don't have to run a shallow sub if you don't want to. Now, this is how what the kit actually looks like out here. What you would do is you would remove this piece, the grill and the factory sub, and then you would put this in place, giving you this look over here. So what you do is you place it on top, you screw it on, and then you find the sub of your choice that will fit in there, and you put it on. That gives you a nice clean look. A lot of you guys also like running a grill. You can put a grill on it or not. It's really up to you. I'm not a big fan, so I never run grills. But that's what it will look like, and you will be able to have different options available to you. I know that a lot of you guys already have the sub and you're like, I'll just use one of my old subs, or some of you may have an amp and you want a sub. We'll have several options available to you. We have the ring itself that you could purchase directly from our website by itself, and that's it, and you figure out the rest on your own. Or we also have the ring with a sub included in there, so you can buy that directly from us, and this is the actual sub that you would get. We use this sub because it's very universal. It has a universal fit where it's very user-friendly. It doesn't take up a bunch of space. You're also running a regular sub versus a shallow sub. You don't have to run a shallow sub on here. I know you can get Kickers and Alpines and other brands that you can get that will actually fit. You just need to make sure that you get the correct one. That being said, we have this on the website with a sub and the ring. The other option that we have is we have the sub, ring, and amplifier that will push everything. As you can see, this is one of the amps that we have here. So you can buy that entire kit like so. Well, let me put this in place. My OCD, of course, I like having things look normal. Okay, so that goes there. And of course, the ring, we have it all, let me take this out, on the website. And it will come with the bolts and screws and that sort of thing that you will need. But this entire kit, like I said, we have it on the website, or you can just get the ring itself. That being said, I'm done here. I don't want to take too much of your time. I know your time is valuable, but I wanted to share this with you guys, and that way you guys know that it is available now for your Jeep Wrangler JL use. Anyways, God bless you all. If you like our videos, you know, we do appreciate that support. Hit that like, that share button, all of, you know, all the bells and whistles things that you have to do. Anyways, God bless you all. Until next time, we're going to try to keep up with our videos and be posting more information for you. Anyways, see you all later. Bye.